We are going to show you our 90% fail-safe cure for hiccups. So Roman, my son here, who is almost 6, has a pen in his mouth. Doesn't matter about the ink. It could be a pen that doesn't work. Could use a pencil. He's keeping it in there securely, I think, toward his back teeth. And then he's going to get a cup of water. And he's going to show us. He drinks it with the pen in his mouth. So I'm going to get an angle here. You kind of suck it in, don't you, Roman? You have to suck it. And that seems to cure the hiccups. It worked for me when my friend Mardine told me about it. And now it's working for my boy. Bye, Roman.
Bye.